Good shot. That's very nicely played, and that's 4 runs. That's a good... That's snuck nearly under the bat, but he's gotten away for a boundary. That's all that's going to matter in the... That's going to be another boundary. That's very clever. He is a wonderful player, Babar Azam. Beautifully played. Not many players in the world can play a delivery at 136.
Good, smart piece of batting, showing presence of mind where the field.
Banged away, and away it goes onto the bank.
Yeah, it sounded like something what ran South Africa was superb, and they got to 52. So it's pretty much even Stevens. Both teams not having lost a wicket at this stage, and that's always danger signs.
A hand on it, but it'll go for 4. And you're going at 11s.
In the middle.
Shot. Oh, yes, that's a top shot.
And I don't know if I should mention it because Hazy's the one who normally mentions this, but he's a bit of a surgeon, isn't he? He does dissect this field, and
he searches for that gap and finds it again. Surgically again. And once again, Babar Azam goes to 50. Wonderful. Quickly. That's not a good ball. It's too short, way too short. Easy enough to put.
Over the top, easily done. Batting like a Rolls Royce. Babar Azam on cruise control.
Sisanda Magala introduced into the attack with a majestic shot from Babar Azam.
That ball put away for 4. Pressure is mounting. It's getting to Q. Big shot, that'll clear the fence quite easily. Damaging.
Discomfort for him. And he picks up the slower delivery from Sisanda Magala really early and gets into a strong position. And
6, that's gone. Great strike from Babar Azam. Wrong length, wrong line.
double blow in many ways for South Africa. The missed opportunity, the previous ball. The drop catch from Rizwan.
Ball. Easy shot this time. That's gone for 6. Babar Azam is making it ridiculously easy. As if
made a massive statement in the manner in which they won that game, within 14 overs chasing the score down.
Currently best ODI batsman, and what a knock. Take a bow, Babar Azam. He's cracked a great 100 here. Massive hitting, massive batting, and run chase with a great 100 here. Marvelous bat. Marvelous bat.
Azam under pressure, team needing to chase.
Another 4, I think he'll get another 4. Sweep shot is working. Not a 5 4s, sorry, 12 4s and
entertaining stuff. There's another boundary.
They're coming all over the place now.
With the odd power display.
Full toss, effortless. Pumped away on the leg side for 4. One bounce. Nicely balled by Magala, and he's got that down nice and fine on the offside for a boundary. Jammed it down. 4 more.
Yeah, this is what sums it up at time. I mean, to execute a Yorker. Well, there it is. But over a Pakistan batsman in an ET against Australia or England. 226, I think, was
innings. It's off. There's a tick behind, and there is a tick behind.